Chased by a troll throwback! That the right one, boss?
Yep, that's the one.
But how are we gonna get him back to base? He's huge.
Oh, that'll be easy. Just leave it to me. I got him. I got the dog. Well done, Zero.
Boss?
Uh-oh. Well, that sort of worked.
What do we do, boss?
Let's go find him. Bigfoot!
Sorry. Zero.
Who do you think he is? A dog? A little help up here.
Hey, it's Zero.
Let's go get him. Halt, you overgrown canine! Put up your dukes and fight like a dog. Oops.
You shouldn't give him ideas, boss.
Oh, zip it.
Did I miss anything?
No. No, you didn't.